sabihin kung tayo'y magkakalayo sa Bel at Budol. Nakita ang galing sa pagsasayaw sa asa. Ngayon, matutunghayan naman siya sa pelikulang The Reunion. Kaibigan, Jessie Mendiola, welcome to the team.
Hello po, magandang gabi po.
You are very pretty.
Thank you. Thank
Totoo
you.
yan. No, I just wanted people to know how you actually started in the business. Paano ba nag-umpisa?
Well, I didn't see myself as, being an actress.
Ano ibig sabihin yan? Hindi mo talaga pinangarap maging artista.
Hindi po.
You got into the ABS-CBN workshop. Simply because you had nothing to do. And mom said,
On summer.
Summer, wala ka rin naman ang ginagawa. Why don't you go and take workshops? And then what happened?
I was doing workshops with my sister. Tapos naglalakad po ako sa baba. Tapos nakita po ko yung Mr. M. And then, ayun, he asked someone to ask me if I could go to his office. So I went there, and then he asked me if I wanted to be an artista. And then I said, parang, can you at least give me days to think or something like that?
All right.
Ayun po.
Did you realize who the great Jelly Manahan was?
Yes.
Not everybody's asked by Mr. M to be an actor. So, and the rest is history. And then, Jessie, I'm really happy to know that you read.
I do.
Di ba? Yung mahilig ka sa libro. I mean, not a lot of young people today ay mahilig ka na magbasa. Di ba? What got you into reading?
Since I was really young, mahilig po ako magbasa. And my teacher would always get mad at me kasi, di ba pag sa reading kunwari, and then meron siyang pages na i-assign sa'yo, na basahin lang sa buong class. Ako binabasa ko yung buong textbook hanggang finish na. Tapos, parang sasabihin ko, alam ko na po yan, ganyan. Bakit nauna? Bakit nauna ka?
You know, Jessie, what is it that 50 Shades of Grey that everybody's reading? I know you've done it. Ano bang meron ng librong yan?
I posted the book cover on Instagram, and then everyone was saying na, oh no, that's bad for you, ganyan.
Why was everybody saying
because
the book is bad for you?
It's a very mature book. It has a mature content. And
napaka-sensual ng libro.
Yes, it's very erotic and...
Okay. And then people were saying na hindi bagay sa'yo because, what is it? Because of the perception that you're very young?
Yes,
you're very...
maybe because I'm 19 lang daw.
You're vulnerable, you're sweet, you know. Are you comfortable with that thing? I mean, I know it's real, but that's also your image. That you're just so sweet and parang you need someone like James De Guzman to defend you.
Wow! Wow!
Are you comfortable with that image?
Wow, James to defend me, but I can defend myself naman.
What I meant is that there's this perception that you're very sweet, that you're very fragile, that you're very, vulnerable, that you need someone to, not necessarily James, to defend you. But is that for real, or is that an image, or is the real Jessie Mendiola really a strong young woman?
I can say I am strong like my mom. Because she brought me up that way. And siguro they see me as sweet and gentle because it's the way I speak and talk. But really, when I was young, I was really, really boyish and strong.
Okay, alright. Okay. Marami ang nagsasabi na ikaw ang susunod na Christine Hermosa.
Really?
Oo nga. I mean, how do you react when people say that?
I am very flattered and honored naman na sinasabi nila I am the next her.
But this is not the first time you're hearing that,
Yes.
And also that Christine Hermosa, to some people, is the most beautiful girl in the business.
For me also.
Diba?
Very, very beautiful.
Very close. If you're watching, diba? I think she's just one of the most beautiful girls, not the most. Pag pinag-uusapan, kung sinasabing mukhang artista, yun, yung artista. And then when people say that you are the next Christine, diba? It's flattering.
Flattering, and parang sinasabi ko, grabe naman, whenever I see her, ako ang nasa-starstruck sa kanya na meron din yung Star
Have
Magic.
you worked with her?
Nag-pictorial po kami ng Star Magic anniversary, tapos nakita niya ako, sabi niya, siya ba yung sinasabi nila kamukha ko, gumawa siya sa akin, tapos sabi ko, opo daw. Hindi ko alam kung oo o bakit. Na-starstruck ako sa kanya.
Matindi ang kompetisyon dito sa industriya, Jessie. I mean, marami kang kasabayan, lahat kayo magagaling. How do you compete?
I just be myself. I mean, different kami lahat. And in our generation, opo, marami na po.
But what is your, what is the uniqueness about you as a brand, as an actor?
I don't know. I guess being sweet and sensual at the same time.
Kasi that's
Yeah.
an oxymoron, ika nga, pero napapaghalo mo yan
Opo.
effortlessly. Anyway, we're doing something, August 15.
Yes,
Invite
The
the public.
Reunion.
Go ahead.
I'm inviting everyone. Please watch The Reunion. It's on August 15 na po. Showing na marami po kami pinagbibidahan po ni Enchong D, Sian Lin, Kian Cipriano, and Enrique Hill. And with the leading ladies, Megan Young, Bas Garcia, Julia Montes, and of course, me, directed by Casco Mortis.
Sinasabi ng Julia Montes. Julia has visited us here on Manila. Hindi na mention kasi namin sa Julia Montes, and there were a lot of people who reacted. Yes, Julia is one of the stars.
Yes.
The
Yes.
reunion. Okay. Nung dumalaw dito si Joe Dimago, tinanong namin siya, Joe, pag may mga problema ka pagdating sa puso sa pag-ibig, anong ginagamit mo? Utak o puso? Ang sabi niya puso. Ikaw, Jeff, pagdating sa pag-ibig, anong ginagamit?
As of now, utak ko.
Utak talaga.
Mahirap na pong masaktan.
Last question. You may or you may not answer this question. Kayo na ba? O hindi pa kayo?
Nako naman.
There's a pause, ha? There's a pause. It's J.M. De Guzman. Yes or no? Hindi pa. May pag-asa ba?
Wala lang na.
That's a smile. That's a lot. Jessie, maraming salamat.
Maraming
Ano,
salamat.
and you are beautiful.
Thank you.
Jessie Mendiola,